So I've had the Sony A7 III now for about 4 or 5 months, and I gotta say, I absolutely love this camera. But I think I've stumbled across a problem, and it's to do with the focusing. Hey guys, I'm Nick. Welcome back to That Modern Dude, your home for tech and modern lifestyle videos. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing down below. And like I said, I love the Sony A7 III and it's been an awesome camera. But lately I've come across an unfortunate focusing problem. So I want to do a really quick video to put it out there to see if anyone else is having this same problem. I can't find any other videos, but it'd be really great to reach out to the community. Don't get me wrong, focusing normally in photo and video mode is top notch. No complaints, can trust it 100%. It's fantastic. What I'm talking about is when you have it connected to your smartphone. So I've found that if the camera is set to auto connect to your smartphone at all times, face tracking just won't work. So I'll set that up on the camera now. So this is with it set to auto connect to smartphone. So whenever I'm away from Wi-Fi, if the camera's on, my phone will connect to it. As you can see, there is no box appearing above my head and the autofocus remains off. But if I turn it to manually connect, meaning that whenever I want to connect to the camera, I have to flick the switch and then go into my settings on my phone and blah, 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 connect. It will work, which is a bit of an inconvenience because the Sony A7 III doesn't have a flip out screen. It can be really handy to have your phone as your external monitor basically, and hit record and all that sort of stuff from in front of the camera. But I don't want to dig into the menus every time I want to connect to the camera. I want to have it auto connect, but I want face autofocus. I don't know. Is anyone else having this problem? Leave a comment down below. Like I said, this is just a quick video, but it's kind of strange that it just doesn't work. I'd love to know everyone's thoughts. Drop a comment down below and let me know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong.